An Army helicopter pilot in South Vietnam keeps an eye on the ground on the lookout for Viet Cong activity. So far, it's been a quiet trip. Maybe it'll continue that way, and maybe it won't. 1,300 hours, landing zone Y. We unload the cargo. Then another pickup, and take off in a hurry. Word has just reached me by radio that one of the first air cav fighting units up ahead is running very short on supplies. $14.20 hours. We make the much-needed delivery. Now it's time out for refueling, both the aircraft and the crew.